What again? Z.
Z is
Is
for...
for the zebra.
So A is for umbrella?
No, you. Skimmerwinka-dink-a-dink, skimmerwinka-doo. I love you. Come back, friends. Wow!
That's a game?
What do we do with that?
All these people and kids and friends, they are waiting to go somewhere. His name is V. His name is R. His name is E. So you just have to find the space where we're supposed to go. Are we going on a spaceship to the moon? Or we're going on a bus to school? Or we're going on a little boat for a ride? What his name?
Ow.
E.
E.
Let's find where is he going? Where is letter E? There, he's going in a bus. Bloop. Yay! Thank you, Mila.
He will go here.
What letter is that?
Y.
V.
V. He's going a boat. What again? What?
We're going together. We are friends? Or it's mommy and daddy?
Mommy and daddy.
Okay.
And where's me? This is me.
S.
Goes here. In the spaceship, he's go. With his friend. What left? He's want to go there.
What his name?
I don't know. Tell me.
Q.
In the water.
Oh no!
Back.
Mila, Q.
Q.
Q. What letter is that?
H.
I. I. I is for...
Gorilla.
No.
Igloo.
Igloo.
Oh. Oh.
Bye bye ball.
Oh. Oh. Z.
Z is
Is
for...
for the zebra.
L. L. L is for...
Lion.
Lion. Good job. Here we go in our game. What is it? That's a puzzle, Mila. Need help? Like that. Look. Ta-da! What letter is that? M is for Mila.
And monkey.
And monkey. Mimi is
Ooh,
the...
ooh, ah, ah, ooh, ooh, ah,
Is that too hard?
ah. No.
Why? What's that? Why?
Play-Doh.
Play-Doh, Play-Doh, Play-Doh.
I made a data tray, and when it's fine ready, I made a rasta play. What are you gonna do with that?
What we're gonna do? We're going to decorate letters. Okay? That sounds fun.
See?
What letter is that?
R.
R. What letter is that? That's a Play-Doh. Y.
Y.
Hold on a minute. What about this one?
A.
A. And this one?
I don't know.
T. Ta-da! Look how much stuff I have. That's not for eating, that's for decorating. R. R is for?
Rabbit.
Mm-hmm.
Wing. Can I put go here too?
That's gonna be pretty. So A is for umbrella.
No, you. I put in beans. You like beans?
Yes, I do.
I put in beans.
It looks so pretty. T. T is for tiger. The tiger. T is for tractor. Tractor. T.
T.